This Black Friday month sale at Show Flooring, we've had a ton of awesome sales and they're still going on. But we're going to make it a little better on Black Friday through Sunday, November 30th. We've got an awesome deal. We're going to slash the price on our Stainmaster Barnes Oak to only $1.75. This is an awesome vinyl click. It retails for over $3 a square foot, and you're going to get it for $1.75. It's got a 12 mil wear layer. It's 6 millimeters thick, high quality, padding attached. And guess what? If you need help installing, we can install it for you. Just give us a call or message us. We'll come out and give you a free estimate. We can also deliver if you're buying a lot, because we do have a ton of it in stock. So remember, from Black Friday, the sale is going to be going on Black Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It ends November 30th. So you want to get in quick. We've got tons of other deals throughout the store. We've posted those all month. Those are still going on, but this one in particular is amazing. So come stop by Show Flooring to get this awesome deal.